Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we are in a room box that I built before YouTube. This is a room that the girls and I like to use as like a teen girl room when we play Barbies. It's not perfect and I didn't even finish the wallpaper, but we still enjoy using it. And today we're going to be opening the new Mini Brand Fashion Series 3, the ones with the little miniature shoes in it. Here's the collector's guide. I really want these black boots with the green on the bottom. Our first bag is this cute little multicolored purse. I didn't open it on camera because I could not get it open. I did eventually get it open though. The shoes we got are these cute little tennis shoes with little roses on the side. I absolutely love these. I think they're adorable and they're a really good fit on the curvy Barbie and the made to move Barbie. We got a little gold headband and these really cute sunglasses. On to ball number 2. In this ball, we got a little blue bag. It's kind of like a woven texture. And then on the strap, it says Mini Brands. I think it's really cute. We got some more tennis shoes. These are little high tops. I love them. I think they're really cute as well. And I love how realistic these little shoes are. They even have a little tongue in the shoe that moves. We got a little silver necklace and a little lipstick. They're a really good fit on the curvy made to move Barbie. And here they are on the regular made to move Barbie. They are a little loose on her, but I think they still work. In ball number 3, we got this little clear bag. It's kind of like a black leather look around the edges, and there are some little pearls on the front. We got some black and white sunglasses. And the shoes we got in this one are little black and white sandals. And then we also got this little black and white, I believe I'm not sure what it is, if it's a bow tie. I'm gonna use it like a hair bow. Here they are on a curvy Made to Move Barbie. With all these new shoes, we definitely need some storage. We're gonna build a little shoe rack. I took a jumbo popsicle stick and cut 2 pieces that are about 3.5 inches tall. And then I took a small dowel rod and cut 4 pieces that are the same size. And I'm going to glue the first one on at the bottom at the front. The next one we're gonna glue on the back, but up a little bit higher, so the shoe will sit kind of at an angle. And then we're going to repeat this on the top rack and glue the other side on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.